Well, back with another video. Just received a package that I've been waiting on today. So we're gonna unbox this, see what it is. From FedEx. Brought it by today. Can't even read it. Anyway, this is a Super Bowl flip coin. It's a color commemorative coin, if I can get the word out. So it came in this little case here. So it's my first time looking at it also, see what it is. Alright, so this is from the Highland Mint down in Melbourne, Florida. Let's take the coin out here. Take this out. Okay. Alright, so it's taking out the case there, and that's what we're looking at. There's only 10,000 of these worldwide. And I just got it today. I actually got it a few days early because it wasn't supposed to be shipped until like February 27th, and today is February 23rd. So yeah, this is the final score of the Super Bowl game from February 2nd down in Miami between the Kansas City Chiefs and the San Francisco 49ers. Alright, so this is the reverse side here. See, that's the 100th anniversary. And I have my certificate of authenticity. Now this is strictly licensed by the NFL. They produce it in the Highland Mint down in Florida. So they're the authorized distributor for these coins. Oh yeah, I forgot something else. Supposed to have. Now you guys probably not gonna be able to see this. Plus, it's in a capsule. But pretty much, I have number 1,150 out of the 10,000 that were made. So they put the number on the side of the coin, and I just thought about that because I remember that from when I ordered online. So personally, I'm not a football person. I'm not a fan of the sport. I don't watch it. I don't really care. But that's beyond the point, because from an investor standpoint, you can invest in anything. You don't really have to like what you're investing in. Although it does help to like what you're investing in. But What caught my eye about this was hearing that it was the 100th anniversary and all the hype that was around it. It caught my interest. Plus, the website I usually order coins from, Amex.com, they had a coin advertised on their site. So this coin here is listed at $29.99, but I ordered it through fansedge.com. It's a different website. We got a discount on it, so I got it for $23. I mean, it's a pretty nice coin too, but like I said, I'm not a fan of the sport, but I understand the popularity with NFL football, and I just kind of took advantage of that. So it's a nice coin, and like I said, with it being the 100th anniversary, yeah, that's a big deal. I'm sure these are gonna sell out pretty quickly. It is a really nice coin, I will say that. But from an investor's standpoint, it's just one of those things you gotta have. Because investors are always gonna be into what's hot, what's popular. And I was keeping a mindful eye out for, trends and things of that sort. So, yeah, although the Super Bowl is over now, it's been 21 days now. This is a special coin. And what's great about this, because people that are diehard football fans don't even have this coin. Or better yet, probably doesn't even know that it exists. While me, on the other hand, not knowing the first thing about football or caring, I've got the upper hand on it. Just because it's in my investor's realm. So I can definitely show this off to football fans. They'll probably be pretty amazed about it, but I may end up ordering 1 or 2 more actually. Just take advantage of the deals. I mean, with it being the 100th anniversary, I mean, it can sell for a lot more down the road. The value will be worth a lot more. So, being mindful of that, taking advantage of that. By the way, I didn't even watch the game. Of course, all the hype around it. You hear about some things, but but yeah. So limited edition, 10,000 coins. I got number 1,150 out of those 10,000 coins. And this is the silver plated one, color added. #100th anniversary. So I mean, it's something pretty cool to have. I always like that. I heard someone said in the past, financial advisor said you don't necessarily have to know how to run a beauty salon to have a beauty salon business. You don't necessarily have to know how to cut hair to own a barbershop. I don't necessarily have to know anything about football to invest in it, in this sense. So it's a different perspective, it's a different mindset. But at the end of the day, there's something out there for everybody. You can benefit without necessarily being directly involved in, what everyone else is active in. So yeah, that was the unboxing of this package here. I just received it today, so it's my first time seeing it, as well as the ones that watch this video. So yeah, it's a pretty cool thing. So I'm just gonna end the video there. Thank you guys for watching. All right, see you later. and Hall.